Kia ora te iwi. Welcome to Assessment 1. This assessment contains He Waiata, which is a song, E Paki Waitara, a made-up story, He Tuhinga, which is pretty much to create a piece of literature into Reo Māori. Let's have a look at our assessments. The aim, to create a piece of literature into Reo Māori. Easy. The due date will be discussed with your tutor. Make sure you check it in your time management or your calendar. Assessment activities. These are just pretty much the activities that are involved within these assessments, like an overview. So this presentation, you are the students and you are required to cover the following. Number 1, use proverbs in appropriate context and explain the meanings. What is a proverb? A proverb is a famous saying. Here is an example, a proverb in English. I have a dream, said by Martin Luther King. We also have these proverbs in Māori, which are called whakatauki or whakatauaki. You must research them. You must also find out how to use them in appropriate contexts and different contexts, and also explain their meanings. Easy. Number 2. Use kiwaha and or kianga in appropriate contexts and explain their meanings. Kiwaha slangs. Here are slangs in English. Here are some examples. Sweet as, chur, scucks, stud. Those are all kiwaha or slangs in English. We have some in Māori. You must research them. Find out how to use them in different contexts and appropriate ways. And also explain the meanings. Easy. Number 3, explain the meanings of the selected expressions. You must learn how to choose the right expressions for the chosen whakatauki, proverb, or chosen kiwaha slang. Expressions are very important. Number 4, create a source of literature for the specific occasion in Te Reo Māori. You must have a resource at the end of this assessment. You must have some sort of literature resource that you can have at the end of this assessment. Moving on, assessment criteria. This is the criteria for your assessment. Students must present this assessment orally. Please discuss it with your tutor. This activity can be done in groups or individually. Please discuss with your tutor. Written, this assessment could be written. It should be at least 5 sentences long. Very easy. Students is required to discuss resource options with tutor, whether you do a waiata, a poem, a story, or a ditty. What is a ditty? Discuss this with your tutor. Students, you, the student, is required to participate in the class activities. Mahi tahi. Pretty much speaks for itself. Here is the marking criteria. This is pretty much how your tutor will mark you. Follow this criteria, you should get an A+. And that's our course, Assessment 1. If you have any questions, please discuss it with your tutor or ring up any tutor from EIT to Rangawaka. Hopefully we can help you guys. Kia ora.